Ayan. Good evening guys. Ngayong gabi, ipapasyal ko kayo sa isang farm. Actually, hindi lang isa, marami. Okay. Ipapasyal ko kayo sa isang farm na kung saan hindi sila gumagamit ng inoculation. Okay, very successful ang farm nito. Napakalaking farm po ito. At the same time, napakalaki ng kanilang factory. Gumagawa sila ng ito. Ito yung isang sample ng nakuha ko sa kanila. Agarwood oil. Okay? Non-inoculated. So, galing sa farm and then hindi sila gumagamit ng inoculation guys. Nakakapag-produce sila ng maraming oil. Every month nakakapag-produce sila ng at least 45 to 50 liter of agar oil. Isipin nyo magkano kaya ang halaga nun. 40 to 50 liter, 45 to 50 liter per month. Okay, napoproduce nila monthly. And then, napaka high quality. Okay. Panoorin nyo yung video to guys para makita nyo paano ang proseso nila. Napasyalan namin ng konti yung farm nila. Napakaganda. May makikita kayong kakaibang technique paano sila magtanim ng agar. Kung paano yung distancing nila. Okay. Hopefully tayo mga Pilipino, i-adapt natin to, matutunan natin to. Lalo na baguhan pa lang tayo. Be practical, 'di ba? Hindi yung payabangan o pasosyalan. Be practical, guys. Tignan niyo tong farm na to at tignan niyo yung kanilang plantation. Okay, guys?
Ayan guys, yung mga binutas-butas na kahoy ng agar. Okay. Tapos ito yung pinagjajapan nila. Hello. Tarupam. Ayan guys, kinap-chop nila, ganyan po yan. Ito yung machine na gamit nila pang chop-chop. Ayan po. And then pag na-chop-chop na yan, dudurugin yan, gagrind para maging powder. Pag naging powder, lulutuin nila. Ganyan kadami yung gasol nila guys, pinaglulutuan. Napakaraming gasol yan guys, napakarami. Ay, mamaya punta tayo doon banda, tignan natin kung paano mga ginagawa nila. And guys, gumagamit sila ng chainsaw para putol-putulin ng mga puno. Dito sa plantation na to, hindi sila gumagamit ng inoculation. So, sa mga nag-aalala kasi wala naman pang inakilan, ang mahal ng inakilan. Pwede ka naman magtanim ng agar na walang inoculation. Diba? Tulad nitong pinuntahan ko rito. Isa sa pinaka-famous na plantation, hindi gumagamit ng inoculation. All they do is to deculation. Guys, plant agar without any inoculation. So don't worry for the inoculation. All you have to do is ejaculation. Okay guys, tayo ang babastos sa mga buanga nyo. So guys, guys, oh, kita nyo yan. Hindi po yan hindi yan kokopit guys. Yan yung pinaggilingan, pinaglutuan. Yan na yung waste na yan, waste. Oo. Sabi ng babae, kamukha. Sabi niya, kamukha daw kami. Ayan. Then guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung malaking puno nila na kung saan ayan o. Anong variety to? Krasna. Krasna guys, krasna yan. Ayan, maliit pa yan. Pero pwede na yan guys. Ayan, may mga butas-butas na yan. Ayan, kita nyo yan guys. Hindi na tayo lalapit. Ayan. Malaking puno siya. Tad-tad ng butas na yan guys. Mula baba, ayan, kita nyo. Kung papansinin nyo yung taas, ayan, putol-putol na yung mga sanga. Kasi yung sanga, yun yung medyo high quality. Dun sila nakakuha ng mga agar chips, which is mas mahal. So ito namang katawan, yung natira rito, subject for agar oil. Okay. And then may mga workers dyan, mga kapatid na naglilinis. And ang kinukuha nila dyan, yung mga agar wood. Agar wood ang kinukuha nila dyan mga kapatid. Okay? Alright. So, yan ang hindi gumagamit ng inoculant. Mas makakatipid ka at mas high quality ang agar mo. Alright guys. So, ito guys. Ayan, naglilinis sila dito for agar chip. Ayan po. Ito, medyo maraming agar ito. Yan mga kapatid. Dito guys, ang agarwood oil nila rito, i-compare mo sa iba. Nagiging, compare mo lalo na sa inoculated. Ang price nila is nasa times 5. Times 5 ang price compared sa mga inoculant. At saka ang agar nila rito ay ang agar oil nila rito ay mas mahal compared sa ibang mga plantation na napuntahan namin. Okay.
This wood from Malaysia. This wood you. กี่วันแล้วอะ
ไม่รู้ว่าหมักก่อนแล้วมี3-4-5 วันแล้วมั้ง Maliit lang yung lutuan nila. Uy, dập mèo. Cái dập mèo mình lộn rồi. Why they put some wood here? Why you put
cooking by
wood?
gas.
Yeah. And then why you put some wood outside of the?
It's inside this wood.
Yeah.
This is arca wood. Mix this water. Yes.
And then why you put wood here, over here?
This
Yeah.
I want it to wood it dry.
Okay. So this area is hot.
Yeah.
So you just put here to make it dry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one is from Malaysia,
Yeah.
soaking today.
Today.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
ไม่บอกเขาแล้วเขามาต่างกันนะ
This is plain from Thailand. This from Malaysia.
Oh, no, I mean from Malaysia is quite big, the particle size.
See, I think this is dark more than this.
This one is more smaller,
Yeah.
smaller particle size.
Yeah. Yes.
And the color. This is from Thailand,
Yes.
and this one is from Malaysia.
Yes.
This one is inoculated, and this one is non-inoculated.
Yeah. So why the color become this one black, this one white?
Yeah. Different.
Um, patient.
So that's the difference of those inoculated and non-inoculated.
2 days.
2 days. How about this one?
Yeah.
Both of them are 2 days.
Yeah. Same.
Okay.
By photo difficult to see.
So before you grind the wood into a smaller size, you have to make it dry.
Yes.
Okay.
You can throw it out.
So,
This is the oil.
okay, this is the oil.
Yes.
Okay.
This is an old machine.
Okay.
This is a new machine.
Okay.
This is a new machine.
What's this again?
New machine.
New
New,
machine.
yeah.
Yeah, these are the new machine.
This is new.
Bigger size.
Yeah, bigger size.
But the old one has brass.
Brass.
Yeah, brass metal. Unlike this one is stainless, pure stainless.
Stainless. Yes.
Yeah. So the new
Overall cooking by
machine.
gas.
Cooking by wood, another factory.
Yes.
So, I mean, your customer preferences, they prefer by gas or prefer by wood?
The wood.
By
By wood.
The mirror is to be
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. They're putting the chopped wood here to make it dry.
Dry. Especially nowadays,
Rainy.
rainy day.
Yeah.
So they cannot sun dry.
Yeah, yeah,
So after dry, then they will crush into powder.
yeah,
Crush
Okay.
into some sort like this powder.
yeah.
Then only they can soak. If without sun dry, very difficult you crush.
Oh, okay. So
You
that's the
need to-
purpose.
Yeah, it need to be dry.
Yeah.
So sometimes we find it dry, and then we soak again. So this factory last time from his father, they started with one pot. With one pot, and they expand about 20 years ago. Nowadays, they are very
Hundreds.
established.
Yeah.
Very established.
Yeah.
So you can see a very properly set up
Yeah.
factory.
So you cannot see the fire.
Huh? The fire at the bottom here.
Yeah.
The fire at the bottom here.
Okay, okay. Ano, kumano to? So, these they are using it for a special customer, especially from America. Yan. Made out of clay. Okay guys, lahat ng mga kahoy dito is non-inoculated. Non-inoculated, no chemical. It's all natural. Ayan. So this is very possible. No need to use inoculation. Okay, lahat po ng kahoy dito guys, natural po yan. Walang inoculation. Ayan. Ganyan kaganda guys. Walang inoculation po yan. Natural lahat po yan. Natural, no inoculation yung example. Ayan guys ha. Pero palagay ko ito wild na to. Wild. Ayan guys ha. Ang color niya, hindi naman siya dark brown. Pero brown po siya. Natural po lahat yan guys. Okay, thank you very much guys. Bye bye. Then guys, this is 40 years old. Krasna tree. Wala na po siyang sanga guys. Ayan guys.
1 month. 1 month I think.
According to them, by
Okay guys, tignan natin yung isa sa successful na nagpa-plantation ng agarwood dito. Ito yung technology nila, kakaiba. Sa isang area, 3 hanggang 4 na kapunuan. Ganyan po, oh. Ayan, di ba? Kung titignan mo rito, ayan, 3 to. Ayan guys. So another learning ito. Ito 4 naman diyan. So kung makikita mo ang distansya, yan nasa mga 3 meter yata to, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan guys, ganyan. Okay. So pwede ito sa mga maliit lang ang lupa. Ayan, napakaganda ng quality ng agar nito ng pinagkunan ko. Bumili ako ng sample nila. Isa sila sa pinakamahal magbenta ng agar. Mahal ang agar nila kasi maganda yung quality guys. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Alright guys, so hanggang dyan lang muna tayo guys. So sana marami kayong natutunan, o kahit pa paano sana may natutunan kayo, lalong lalo na tungkol sa farm na pwede naman pala magtanim ng agarwood na hindi kailangan mag-inoculate. Okay? At gaya na nasabi ko kanina, nasabi ko sa video, na mas mahal po ang non-inoculated kaysa inoculated na agar oil, up to 5 times or higit pa. Okay? Then isa pa guys, okay, kung makikita nyo, yung pinuntahan natin kanina is family business lang yun, hindi yun corporation. Okay? So kung sila na family nagawa nila makapagpalago ng ganong kalaking planta, tayo kaya hindi natin kaya, diba? Tao sila, tao lang din naman tayo, di ba? Okay. Isipin nyo guys, ang kwento ng family na yan, nag-start sila sa isang distiller. Ngayon, ilan ang distiller nila? 2 yung planta nila guys. Isang nakafocus sa gas, yung lutuan na gas. So, yung napuntahan natin kanina is lutuan ng gas yun. Kaya makita yun, daming malalaking gasol sa labas ng building na yun. So, 100 plus yung yung lutuan nila, and then nagdagdag na naman sila ng another 100 plus. So yung pinuntahan natin kanina is nasa 200 plus na yun na lutuan ng agar oil. Okay? And then meron pa silang isang planta, yung mas malaki, mas mahal ang quality, wood naman. Okay? Nakafocus naman sila doon sa pagluluto ng agar oil gamit ang wood. Ito yung wood. Ayan. Ito naman yung gamit sa nagluto sila gamit ang gas. Okay. So mas mahal po ang quality ng wood compared sa gas na agar oil. Okay. So ang ganyan lang mga kapatid. Kung makikita nyo sila, nakapag-succeed sila, nakapag-endure sila, napalaki nila negosyo nila na hindi sila gumagamit ng inakilan. Kung kaya nila, kaya rin natin yan guys. Okay, hanggang dyan lang muna tayo. Sa mga bago lang nakakilala sa akin guys, i-follow nyo lang ako para kapag may bagong update, bagong mga learnings, i-upload ko lang dito sa Facebook ko. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.